water, right? For this kind of pasta, most of the people fill the pot and put the high flame. What are you gonna do? Just to see this. And this water is as well from Amway East Spring water treatment system. Okay. So magic. This is a water I'm going to use for pasta, right? Wondering how it's going to cook all this pasta with this little water, right? You will be seeing the wonder at the end of the session. And if you see this vegetable, there are different vegetables: carrot, peas, corn, beans. All of them are different temperaturely cooked, right? And not many people will cook it together with pasta because some overcook, some undercook. But if I cook, you just dump everything together. Let's stir it. I turn my gas on. Okay. What is the difference with other pots with I cook? I put the high flame. Okay. I want it to boil, bring it to boil, which will happen in literally 4 minutes. Okay. I'm closing the lid. Okay. Before closing the lid, I like to add a little salt. Stir it a little bit. Okay. Okay. Now I'll tell the specialty. With this I cook, when you put on the low flame, this bottom is patented. Okay, this whole steel is patented. It is 5 layers of steel, and it got a Whitall of technology. Technical term Whitall of. What it does is, when you cook something in this pot, it takes the nutrition levels, the water consistency, and the original juices of the vegetables from the food, and then it logs the temperature inside. That I'm going to show at the end of the 4th minute. As soon as the temperature brings to high, the lid starts to dance, like it, it literally slide from here and there, swings. At that time, you just lock the lid and you make it to minimum. And this pasta will be ready in literally 20 minutes. And it is made from, as I said, 5 layers of steel. I'll just show you quickly. If you see, this is the pot I'm using, 5 layers of steel. It is made, and the temperature is evenly distributed. And you will know what is the taste of the carrot rather than the cooked carrot. It will remain as it is. Okay. And it is 7 multi-layered as well. Okay. And I will show this one. As the lid starts shivering, I will turn off the lid, and as well as minimum the temperature, and I'll come back to you at the end of 20 minutes. Okay. And we have wonderful dishes, not just this pasta. We have one amazing lady who's going to do one yummy dish which everybody prefer to have as a dinner. So here comes Indu to show how a fried rice can be made with this iCook utensil. Here goes Indu.
You hear me? I hope
yes,
you all hear me.
Yes, we can.
Okay, thank you, Kalyani. So Kalyani beautifully explained the advantage of having iCook. Sorry, I was looking at the wrong camera. Okay, now I think I'm okay. So thank you so much. She explained about the technical things about the iCook. The 5-layer stainless steel and everything. So if you are looking to live a healthy life, iCook is the way to go. Because with iCook, you can cook without oil, without water. So it keeps all the nutrition, value of all the food that you cook. It retains all of that, and it doesn't evaporate or burn it all off. Okay. So because when you cook with a lot of water, the water takes all the nutrition value from the food that you're cooking and gives just nothing. So with iCook, you don't need to worry about that. Okay. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to make a quick fried rice. We all live a very busy lifestyle. We don't have time to stay in the kitchen for 2 hours and make a big meal. But with iCook, I get my cooking done in half an hour or even less than that. So it's very simple. I'm going to show you this pot, which is my rice. I've soaked 1 cup of rice in this pot, which I'm going to start off. And then, as Kalyani mentioned, I'm going to keep it in the middle flame. So you always cook in the middle flame with iCook. You don't cook in the high flame because the high flame, it kills all the nutrition, and it's better to cook in middle flame, and it still cooks faster even in middle flame. Okay. So I've just switched on the rice, and what I've got here is a special iCook vessel. This is called wok. This is a brilliant one which can be used for multiple purposes. This you can use for fried rice, you can use to cook curries, you can use to cook stir fries, noodles, whatever you think of cooking. With this one pot, you can cook everything. I have some days in my home, I have just used this one pot and cook 3-4 dishes. So I cook, I transfer it to a serving pot, and then I again use it. You just this one pot can serve everything that you want. Okay, and this is quite old. I've been using it for many years, and it still looks good, and it still does the job. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the wok to do my vegetable fry. I've got some vegetables here. I've mixed some salt in it. If you want some spice, you can add some chilies or whatever according to your taste. And then simply no oil, no water, nothing. It's a clean vessel. So I'll start this one off on. And then I'm going to add the vegetables in that. Okay. And then just spread it in the wok. And you just want to simply close it. It comes with a thing like this. This can be used for multi-purpose. So suppose say in the fried rice, you want to add some prawns. Okay. All you need to do is just put that stand and then place the prawns on top of the stand, and then you can just close it. So you can get two things cooked at the same time. Today I'm not adding prawns, so I'm going to remove this, but you can do multiple cooking in one vessel. Okay. So the vegetables are there. It's got a little bit of salt, and if you want a little bit of chilies, you can add, but I've not added any oil. I'm going to close it, and then I can now go do my cleaning, washing, whatever I want to do, because my food is not going to get burnt. Okay. I put both my rice and my vegetable in medium flame, and I will come back in some time to show you how well it's cooked. Okay. I'm going to pass it to this beautiful lady next, who is going to cook everybody's favorite, my favorite definitely. And she is best in explaining how to use iCook pans and how to make the most of the iCook. So I'm going to pass it over to Gayatri to take it over. Thank you.
Thank you, Indu, for such lovely words. And because of your words, I became more beautiful. Thank you. And today, like Kalyani and Indu, they nicely explained about the iCook. So, but I'm straight away going to the dish. This is called iCook frying pan. Today, I'm going to change this as a non-stick, and we can also use this one as an oven also. But I'm going to show you how we can use this as a non-stick cookware today. See, it's not even started cooking. I can touch it. It's cold now. And then it is the lid, and I'm going to close the lid. And then I'm placing it here.
Hey, Gayatri.
Yeah.
Shall I show how the lid dance?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
I will get it up.
Yeah. So everybody, initially I told, right, as soon as it locks the temperature, what happens? So now it's in the position of locking the temperature. So, okay, the lid starts to move, right? Whereas this one, it's not moving, right? So you just roll it and put it to medium flame, completely medium flame, okay? And the lid will lock automatically itself in a minute, and then it will lock the temperature, and in 15 minutes from now, the pasta is ready. So here, back to Gayatri now.
Oh, that's nice, Kalyani. It's nicely explained. And my frying pan is getting heated up to become like a non-stick. And we all love chicken, right? Sorry for the vegetarians, but I have to show the non-vegetarian also. So this is just a normal chicken breast pieces. I just soaked in some soya sauce. But other than that, nothing is there. If you don't want soya sauce, you can avoid that one also. We cook how we cook chicken, with lots of oil, with lots of spices, lots of masala, everything, which we are making it like, unhealthy dish completely. Every meat, like it may be a chicken or anything else, it has its own natural salts, natural oil, It has some water in it, vitamins, nutrition, everything naturally present in the chicken by itself, which is really good for the health, and it has its own natural flavor also. By wrong way of cooking using wrong vessels, we are killing all the nutrition, like Hindu explained before. So here we are cooking without oil, zero oil, and zero water, and we are using the natural oil and natural water already present in the chicken by using this non-stick pan. Generally, we previously we used to cook in X brand products and all, and we used to put lots of oil, lots of water and cooking, and we gained lots of weight. But after last 1.5 year, we completely avoided the X brand oils outside, like vegetable oil, sunflower oil, whatever the oil, we completely avoided, and it helped a lot for our weight loss journey. I lost approximately 17 kilos in last 1.5 year. So this helped us very big time. If you guys want to change to healthy eating, please shift your vessels. That will help you to retain lots of nutrients. And let's see how whether it turned to non-stick or not. And this is just a normal drinking water. And if you see, I'm opening the lid and I'm dropping some water. It's not yet ready. It's getting heated. It needs enough heat. Okay. And by the way, like we all love eggs also, right? And eggs are healthy for children also. But how do we, cook the eggs? Generally, if you take a pot, we fill too much of water in it, and we make the eggs float. When we cut the egg, it turns completely gray inside. So it means it lost all the nutrition. The proper time to cook an egg is just 8 minutes. But how much time we are using to cook an egg, and with lots of water. But here, see, if you see, it's just an empty pan. I'm just putting one egg inside. If you can see, just only one egg. Because of the lockdown, we couldn't get eggs anywhere. And I'm just pouring 1 spoon of water. See? Just 1 spoon of water in it. Maybe 1 more spoon extra. And this one also, I'm going to on. We don't need to keep it in high flame, just a normal flame. And just in 8 minutes, our egg is going to ready. If you guys want, you can, watch your clocks as well. And let's see this one, whether it got ready or not.
Gayatri?
Yeah.
That was amazing. I'll just interrupt 1 minute to show what's happening here. So my both vessels have danced already, like Kalyani mentioned, and I put them both into sim. So if you can see, they are just happening. Both of them danced, they're happening. In 5 minutes, I can get my fried rice ready. I'll pass it back to that.
Yeah. And give this pan just 5 minutes time to get the heater. So when we are closing the lid and heating up, it's locking the moisture inside. So the heat is not going out. When this thing is happening, the pan will equally distribute the heat itself. So we are not wasting the energy. We are not wasting any water or oil. Let's see. We need some more time. So if the steam is coming up, it's not yet ready. Heat it more a little bit. So how much time do you need to cook a chicken? Sorry, I can't hear.
Half an hour?
Any more answer, please?
1 hour.
20 minutes.
20 to 25 minutes.
Okay, I will give you the answer. Here I'm
15
going
to
to cook on only 10 minutes, maybe, or 8 minutes. Okay, the only time I needed is just my pan to get heated up. That's it. That's the only time it needs. Maybe in 1 minute it will get heated up. Then I will show you the real magic. Yeah, it got heated up. I'll show you. When the indication of turning into a non-stick is, if you see, when I just pour 1 spoon of water, the water drops like a pearl. Maybe in screen we can't see it properly. See. It just drops down like a pearl. And then I'm just taking the chicken without any oil. I'm just taking the chicken without any oil. And I'm going to close the lid. Keep it in the low flame. Okay, I just need 5 more minutes to turn to. I'm just taking the chicken. By the time I would like to pass it to Charul, she's a lady without any knowledge, and I always get inspired by seeing. And I'm going to close the lid. Please pass it to Charul, please. Thank you.
Wow, it's wonderful to see pasta cooking and fried rice cooking. Yes, I'm not interested in non-veg, but those two looks very yummy. And what I am going to show is the non-stick. We have lovely non-stick, and we have a set of three. What is one? The smallest one is the 8 centimeters. Sorry, 8 inches. That one, and then we have the middle one, which is 10 centimeters. Nice. And the base, and then we have the biggest one, which is 12 inches. Sorry, 8 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches. I'm getting mixed up with the centimeters and inches. And this is a wonderful thing. I don't know if you can read it or not, but I will read it. It is got Duramic OptiTemp. The temperature is actually evenly distributed when you're cooking it, because the way that it's made of steel, and it's very nice, so that when you are heating, it spreads the gas and heat evenly. So that is one good thing about it. And it's used for if you have a gas hob, you can use on that. If you have electric, you can use on that, or even induction, you can use on that. So it is wherever the base is, you can use. And only instruction is make sure that you don't use the metal on it, and use it with hand wash. Don't put it in the dishwasher. So that is good. And I would say all our iCook range, we always recommend to use medium to low heat, not high heat. And on this instruction also it shows do not use the full flame. So what I am going to do is, sometimes you're very hungry and you want to eat quickly. There is a lot of frozen food in the fridge, but by the time you take it out, put it in the oven needs 10-15 minutes to heat. Then you put the non-stick or whatever you want to eat for 20-25 minutes. You have to keep coming and checking whether it's burnt or all right. But this, no problem. Because this, within 10 minutes, you can have nice crunchy garlic bread and hash browns. I'm going to show you both. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you the smallest and the biggest pan. Okay. I'll just switch it on. Yeah. Right. I switched on that one. I have switched on the small piece. I'm going to put the hash brown. Yeah. In one of that. And because it's just beginning, I'm going to put it in the medium flame. And within a couple of minutes, I'm going to reduce the heat. You can see it's a medium flame only. I have used the small pan so that I can show you. You can make 4 hash browns.
Sorry, Charul. Sorry for disturbing you. I would like to show how it looks on other side of the chicken. I'm turning the chicken on the other side. Please have a look. You can see nice brown color. Hi everyone, please can you see the nice brown color, and it was not sticking to the vessel as well, and it's just natural oil and water is oozing out of the chicken. It's nice, tender. My husband Ami dinner is getting ready. Yeah, please back to Charul. Thank you, Charul.
Oh, you're welcome, Gayatri. And now the time for garlic bread. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put garlic bread. I have used the bigger pan, but I think this 4 is going to be like generous place. We can actually put around 6 to 7 in this one, but I'm just putting 4 here because we are just 3 now here in the family, and if I overcook, who is going to eat? We can't even, because of the social distancing, we can't share the food now. But now I have started the gas on both. It's this one is low flame and this is medium flame. I'm going to turn it low as soon as in couple of minutes, and then after 5 minutes I'm going to turn around. The garlic bread, it comes out is so yummy, it's so crunchy, the base is nicely cooked, and you really enjoy eating it. So with that, I would like to pass it on to whoever is ready. I think Kalyani might be ready with her pasta. So back to
Yes. Thank you, Charul. Thank you. And I'm just eagerly waiting for the fried rice and garlic bread. My both are my favorite. And yeah, Gayatri, chicken, something which I don't eat. Sorry for that. But my husband loves chicken. Okay. So after lockdown, we're gonna make a dish for him. Okay. So if I'm pulling this lid, the reason it is locked is because of the white lock, the moisture is locked. Okay. But it's already done. So if I twist a little bit, the lid will open. Okay. So here comes the pasta. Okay. Until now, the pasta smell or carrot smell or any vegetable smell is not released. Everything is inside. So even if you are dressed up and cooking, so with this one, you are stress-free that your cooking smell won't go to the clothes. Okay. So just I'll transfer it into the bowl or plate. You can see. If you want to add sauce, you are most welcome to add sauce. Any kind of sauce will go with this one. I just want to show you something. If everybody have seen how much water I added, okay, people would be wondering that where this water came up, right? It is a natural water that was in vegetables and as well as pasta. Okay. And I'll just show how smooth the pasta and the carrots are cooked. I'll just show you carrot. Not overly cooked, not undercooked. It's too hot, so I just want to show. Okay, and the pasta as well. It's too hot. Okay, easy to eat, easy to cut. Okay, and this is how our cooking is done. Very easy. We are very busy moms, 24/7, but yet iCook made our cooking very, very easy. So make delicious pasta and as well as nutrition with right texture, right flavor of vegetables of itself. And I would like to pass it to Ingrid to show her fried rice if it is ready.
Thank you, Kalyani. That was amazing. That pasta looks so yum. I'll probably send Rajan. You can put it through your post box and you can collect it. But mine was ready long time ago, but I just didn't want to interrupt. So as Kalyani mentioned, this is also locked. So just a little twist and open. It opens nicely. This is also locked. So let me show you the rice. Okay. Look at the rice. It's just so nicely cooked. Usually when you cook, we Indians use a lot of rice. The rice sticks to each other usually, but this one, it's just all nicely cooked. Okay. Let me go to my vegetable. That is also cooked really well. And if you remember, I haven't used any oil or water or nothing. It's just iCook, and the vegetable has been cooked very well. If I can show you cutting a carrot, it's all cooked. It's all ready now. So what we'll do is we'll just add this rice. And then I'm just going to just mix the rice. So what you can notice is the color of the vegetables have not changed. Okay, that's one thing I've always noticed with iCook. It retains the color of the vegetable, and the taste. It tastes very fresh and yummy. Okay, so because I have not added any oil or anything. Usually fried rice cannot be cooked without oil, okay? But we've done. This is a healthy fried rice, okay? Not the one that you get at the restaurants where you find more oil and less vegetable. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to use a little bit of virgin oil just to get that taste. So this is our extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to small portion, and then you can just drizzle it. Because olive oil is not bad for you at all. So at the end, you can just add a little bit of olive oil to give that flavor to your fried rice.
Once you mix it, I want to show the hash browns. I've turned one and it's come out very nice.
Yeah, sure, Charu. I think mine is done. You can see it nicely.
So,
You just have to have some kind of side dish with this, and it's ready to eat. Thank you. I'll pass it to Charu.
yeah, sure. Have a look here. I have just done one to check it out, and it has come out so nice. So I'll flip another one in front of you. If you can see, Bishop, please bring the camera. See, it's nice and crispy on one side. So I'm going to turn it so we can have and enjoy the yummy hash browns in a minute. That's come out. It looks very nice. Wow, and smells nice. I just feel like eating so quickly. Good thing about it is I have some made potatoes as well, just raw potatoes, cut it and put in the non-stick, little bit of salt, pepper, and just like a teaspoon of olive oil. I left it for 5 to 10 minutes, stirred just once or twice, and the potatoes were done so nicely, and we just loved, and we could finish the bowl full of potatoes just amongst us. So it comes out yummy as well because you're not putting lot of water and oil. It has all natural taste, and that's the hash brown will be ready in a minute. Let me see if garlic bread needs changing or not. Yeah, in the one side, yes. Let me see. Yeah, I'll turn all the garlic bread. See, it's come out so nicely on one side. So yeah, I'll turn all of it, and then we'll wait another 2-3 minutes. Meanwhile, if anyone wants to show them.
Yeah, Charu, we are ready.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah. See, guys, we did egg, right? It was ready before when Indu was speaking, so I don't want to disturb her. So the egg is ready. You can see a nice break. Actually, it's a bit hot, but still I'll manage to hold it with my hand. You can see the nice crack in the egg. Oh, it's really hot. I'll ask my husband to help me in breaking it. And I want to show the chicken as well. We are ready with the chicken also. Yeah, are you ready for chicken? It's nicely done. You can see how much oil is coming. And I will dish out this as well with the nice salad. You can see. I'll just dish out. And it was nicely browned as well. Yeah. Okay. You can see the chicken is ready, and I will cut it and show you as well whether it is done or not. It's just a normal knife because I'm holding with one hand and I'm cutting it, and it was cut now. You can see. And I want to eat it, but it's very hot. I'll burn my tongue. You can see if it is not cooked, we won't be able to cut with the knife. And you can serve it with your favorite sauce and dip it. Enjoy the chicken with your favorite salad. And the egg is also getting ready. We will show you in a minute. And You can see lots of natural oil is coming here. You can see I'm just taking out in a dish. We normally add lots of oil and water, which will, while cooking the process, it will be nutrition will be killed by the too much of oil and salt. And you can still see the pan. Nothing is stick to the pan. And it just took 5 minutes on each side to finish the chicken. And it's the best way to cook chicken. Basically, we are from South India. We eat too much of spicy, but our kids are not able to eat that spiciness. And if no spices, we are not able to eat the chicken. But iCook is the best solution for whole family to enjoy the chicken with wonderful flavor in less time. And for my daughter, every day morning, I give freshly made lunch in the lunch box. I don't give outside lunch. I'll make in 20 minutes the freshly made lunch every day. And I can see a huge improvement in her body as well. And the egg is getting ready. If anybody is ready to show their food, we are welcoming.
Yeah, I would like to show my garlic bread are done and they are really come out nice. Sorry, Indu. Yeah, I've removed 2 already because I was so much carried away by what Gayatri was showing. So I removed a couple of them and there are a few here. Just have a look. They are nicely done, beautifully done. And I'm going to just show you the crunch. I don't know if you can hear, but it's so hot. Very yummy. And I think even this is done. Let me just check. If not, we'll maybe keep it for a couple of minutes. See, it's done on this side as well. If you like it a little bit more brown, then you can continue for another minute or so. But look at this. Gorgeous. It looks like it is ready to go in the tummy. Disha will be waiting to eat this. So, yeah, I'm done. I'll just take it out and keep it ready for Disha and me to enjoy. Even Ajay might have a bite or two. With that, pass it on to Indu. Thank you.
Thank you, Charu. That really did look very yum. And the crunchness, we could hear the sound as well. I just wanted to show my fried rice. I will get Rajan to taste it in a bit. Do you want to come over here and taste it? Not like he's used to my lovely, delicious fried rices, but just to show. Okay. So,
Hi, Indu. Sorry to disturb you again.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Egg is ready. I want to show you the egg.
Yeah, sure.
So we just struggled only to peel the hot egg. That's the only struggle we faced. But you can see nice yellow. If the yolk is nice bright yellow like this, means it has not lost any of its nutrition. It's fully packed with nutrition. That's the only symbol.
Thank you.
With this, I'm done. Please back to Indu.
Thank you, Gayatri. Thank you. That egg is really nicely cooked. So I'll just show once. Can you see? The color of the rice and the vegetables. Everything is like fresh. Okay? Okay, you can taste now.
Somebody can't see how good it is, right? How many of you want to taste this? Right? So fresh.
With Gayatri's chicken, it would be perfect.
Yes, the only thing missing in there is chicken, but so fresh.
Yeah.
The vegetables in there are still fresh to eat. They're cooked, but they're very fresh to eat. Thank you, Indu.
I will taste my chicken good. Here.
That rice is really good. I love it. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Indu. Hi. Thank you.
Sorry, you are only we can.
Gayatri, you want to show up? I want to show you a finished product.
So, yeah.
Charul, you please continue. I'm done with my presentation.
Okay, like just last look, I wanted to show that. Look, now it's all ready and yummy, waiting for someone to come and eat. Hash browns and garlic bread. Likewise, you can do your onion rings, your fries. And in the fries, we do not put any more oil because the frozen fries already has it. Just put it and stir it a couple of times and your fries are ready and more healthy and very yummy. I'm done as well. I would say that if you are looking to invest, this will be one of the best investment, because you will be saving lot of your time as well as gas, electricity and energy in cooking. And the vitamins and nutrition it retains is a lot. So I think it would be best decision if anyone is thinking of going for iCook or trying it out. With that, I'm done, and back to Indu or
I just want to show the pasta as well, like everybody tasted. So either you can add chicken with this one, what Gayatri made, or you can add egg as well. So which tastes very yummy. Couple of some tomato sauce or pesto, it will be really nice. Okay, so enjoy making this such kind of pasta and have a healthy diet. And back to Indu.
I think I'm also done. Just imagine, okay, 4 of us did. I made fried rice, Kalyani made pasta, Gayatri made chicken, and Charul made hash browns and also garlic bread. All of us have 4-burner cookers these days, right? We can do all this in 10 minutes, maximum 15 minutes, all 4 dishes done. Okay, if you're cooking for 6 people, maybe it will take 20 minutes. That's it. But personal experience has been like amazing. I could get multiple things done while I'm cooking, because you don't have to keep stirring. You don't have to keep checking whether it's getting burnt at the bottom. Nothing. It's just healthy cooking with very less work. Okay. And I want to personally thank Gayatri, Kalyani and Charul for such a wonderful presentation. It looked yummy and it was really presented well. I will pass it on back to
share the screen.
Yeah, I'll pass it to Rajan to share some of the screens about iCook. So what are the ranges we have in the iCook is what we're going to show now. So this is the non-stick frying pans that Charul cooked. As she mentioned, it comes with 3 pans. According to the sizes, it is perfect for a family to have 3 pans, and they're all amazing. It comes with warranty, 5 years of guarantee. Anything happens, the company is ready to replace the pans as well. But I have been using for many years now, and I have not had any complaint over the non-stick pans. So without oil, non-stick pans, healthy cooking, and you can have a really tasty food as well with this. Next is the starter set iCook, which has got 3 pans, and there is one more, just a lid, which is used for stack cooking. So what do I mean by stack cooking is you can make 2 things at one time. Okay. So you can put 1 pan, and on top of that you can put the stacker, and then you can put another pan. So you can get 2 things cooked at the same time. So that's what you have in the starter set iCook. The next is a family set, which has got 17 pieces, if you see. So it's got all the cooking pots, plus the serving bowls as well, mixing bowl or serving bowl, whatever you want to use that as. So you have 1 liter saucepan, 4 liter stock pot and lid, and then 4 liter pot steamer, double boiler insert pan, and then you can have a saute pan, and then senior saute pan and junior dome. It's a beautiful set. This family set is very good one. You get everything in this. You have stack cooking, everything is covered in this. And the next one is the Prestige set, which is this is the one I have at my home because I'm prestigious, so I like to have prestigious products. This covers everything, literally. It has all the different ranges put together. So it comes with 27 pieces. It serves everything. If you're having a party, you're cooking for just your family, you have the pots according to that size. You have the biggest one in this is the 4 liter pot steamer, and also you have 8 liter Dutch oven and lid. So it's quite a big set. It covers all of your needs. So when I got the Prestige set iCook, I threw away all my low quality utensils, dishes, whatever you would like to call. I put them all in the bin and I started using my Prestige set iCook, and it's great. The experience has been great. And the next one is just a basic set, which comes with one 4-liter stock pot. And then you have a steamer as well. And you get 3 mixing bowls with lids. So this is the basic set, which comes with one pot with the steamer, steam cooking. And this is the advanced set, which comes with 2-liter saucepan, 3-liter saucepan, and then 8-liter Dutch oven and lid. And then you have the pasta insert. So you can have, there is one more insert which goes into the dish and then into the pan, and then you can just drain the water, which is used for pasta. And it also comes with a grater and a steamer plate. The one that I showed, it has a steamer plate. You can have multiple things happening in one pan. Okay, so those are the ranges that we have in our iCook. See, what I would say is healthy. We all work, earn money to live, right? To have a healthy lifestyle. We don't realize how much it matters to use the right pans for your cooking. We are all into healthy lifestyle these days. Nobody wants to use oil. Nobody wants to use water. We are looking for natural cooking. Okay, steam cooking. That's what iCook gives you. It gives you. It gives you. You have the food which is like cooked with the natural, whatever is present in the vegetables, fruits, chicken. It uses that and cooks your food. Okay. Absolutely, I've been amazingly enjoying the iCook set for these many years. I know I've been looking at the wrong camera, but it doesn't matter. I would, that's all I have to share. I would quickly ask Kalyani, Gayatri and Charul to share a few words before we finish up the session and pass it back to Rajan. So I'll pass it to Kalyani first. Thank you.
Thank you, Indu. Well explained about all the ranges of iCook. And I'm really loving because I love cooking. But sometimes you spend a lot of time in kitchen itself, which is not ideal because you need to enjoy your life as well, right? So just to start using 1 or 2 pans, then you'll understand how easy your cooking can be. So check with the people, whoever have invited you to join this link and see the demonstrations and ask the questions, pricing, everything. Ask how to use durability, everything. Ask and then start using iCook. Then you will love enjoying using it and having a nutrition food as well. So I'll pass it to Gayatri to share her experience.
Hi everyone, and I'm Gayatri again. Thank you for Indu and Rajan for giving me this opportunity today. And after shifting to iCook, we are enjoying the food very well. And I'm a lady, like I don't like to spend much time in the kitchen. I want to spend more time with my kids. So this cookware helped me to achieve that, because I don't need to spend hours in kitchen cooking. And I do cook South Indian style and simple cooking like this, especially in the mornings. It's really helpful for making lunch in time for my daughter, because I give her freshly made food every day. I cook like how Indu made fried rice. I give her like that. I do pasta. I make dals, everything. Whatever the ingredient or whatever the recipe you take, it in few minutes, the tasty food is ready. And it's easy to clean as well. And you can use any kind of cleaning thing or any kind of ingredient. And sometimes I drop the things from my hand in a rush, busy lifestyle. But it's amazing, very strong. Nothing had happened. And people, please, if you are in a plan to change, this is the best time. This is the best cookware. You won't get it anywhere. And thank you. And I'm passing it to Charul.
Yeah, I thought I got stuck, but yeah. So wonderful. Thank you, Kalyani, Gayatri, and Indu for sharing lovely points. I have been using iCook for more than 5 years. I love it. I'm just going crazy about it because it makes my life so easy. I'm a person who just spends 45 minutes to an hour. That's it for cooking. After coming from work, I have so many other things to do. So 45 minutes to 1 hour, I can preparation and cooking is all done because I have this lovely pots and pans. And it's become so easy. You put it in gas and leave it, and you concentrate on something else. And when you come back within 15-20 minutes, it's all done. Even like dal, like moong dal and all that, they come out so yummy and gets cooked so nicely. I think each and everyone should try it out. When what we are saying is our experience, but until you try it out and share, you will not know what we are talking about. Gas, electricity is reduced, bills are reduced that way, and time is reduced in cooking. And cleaning is also very easy. We have dish rocks, and I cook, easy to clean our pots and pans with that. If it's very greasy also, I mean, we don't use much, but even if it's greasy, you put dish rocks, wipe it, and they don't get stuck and burnt. That is my experience. Sometimes you put chai and milk, and the pots before I used to use, I had to scrub too much. But with the iCook, no worries at all. It takes out everything residue easily. So I love it, and I would say if each and everyone should have it to have a fantastic lifestyle and spend quality on quality products. Like iCook knives, and we have nice iCook blender as well. So all of these are my favorite products. Anyway, back to Indu. Thank you, Rajan and Indu. Thank you.
Thank you, Charu, for the wonderful experience sharing session there. Thank you, Indu. Amazing fried rice. So I'm sorted tonight. Thank you, Kalyani, for cooking the pasta. Looks yummy. I wish we could come there and taste it. Gayatri, any day, chicken that way cooked is healthier and it's tastier as well. Why wouldn't you do that? And Charu, what can I say about your cooking? Fantastic. What a snack to have in the evening, right? Perfect. So hope it was an experience, guys. So the live demo was just to show you the quality of the product. Okay. Now here comes. Okay. Would you want to put a price for your good health? So do not negotiate with health, because health is only once. Okay. You only have one health. Okay. So do not negotiate with the price. These products are premium products. Okay. So they are on the higher side. But over a period of time, you would get value for money on, like what Charu was saying, the gas and everything else. Okay, we have offers going on. Keep watching out for. So reach out to the person who's invited you today. We have offers going on. Speak to the person, and they will get back to you on offers: 10, 15, 20%, 30% discount. I don't know. Okay, speak to the person, and they will give you an offer, and they'll give you a price lock. You also have payment plans. You can split the payments into 4 months and stuff like that. Anything you want, speak to the person who's invited you today. And get back. Like I said, there is no cost for good health. Okay, there is no price tag for good health. Okay, so with that, we're officially done. Thank you so much, attendees, for attending it, listening to it patiently. Hope you saw how good cooking is. Now I'm going to go and try my food. Thank you so much, and see you all, everyone. Take care.
Bye.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Bye. Thank you, everyone.
Everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. So,